Hi guys, today I will explain how to send a Ethereum in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open. This one is the homepage of my Trust Wallet application. If I scroll below, you will see my crypto list. And on the second number, you can see Ethereum. Now what if you did not find it here? Then scroll down to the last and tap on the option Manage Crypto. And in the search bar, you have to search for Ethereum by tapping ETF. Once you will enter here, you can see Ethereum. And also, be careful, you have to enable Ethia, not this one. And this one is the USDT Ethereum, and this one is the exact crypto. If you enable the wrong one, then you will not send any tokens from this Ethereum. So enable this one. And once you will enable, go back from here and scroll up and tap on the option Ethereum. Here you will see multiple options of send, receive, swap, buy, and sell. Like we want to send. So therefore, I will click on the option send. The first thing I need to do is I need to enter the address or domain name of the person to which I want to send my Ethereum. And there, you will see the option of address book. Just click on it. And here you can also choose the address book. And if you have not created, then tap on the option add contact. And enter the wallet name of that person. Then that will be added in your address book, and you can send it easily. Another way is sharing QR code. You have to scan the QR code of that person to which you want to send by clicking on this QR code, and then scan the QR code. Once you do here, you can see the option of amount. Just enter the amount. Once you will enter, the next option will be enabled, and you can send it to the person to which you want to send it. Using this way, you can send Ethereum through Trust Wallet.